Ringtone, you are a hypocrite. Unajua wewe uswagana, wewe ukunywa, ufanya tabia zote za kifedule.
Kijana ukiwa kwa bedsitter, unapiga mdomo ukiwa kwa bedsitter.
Now, Ringtone has finally responded or reacted to Cassypool and Sabato coming through to criticize him. Now, in case you're not aware, a day or so ago, we saw this guy Sabato coming through to bash Ringtone, calling him a pretender in the gospel industry. Yeah, saying that this guy does everything that a person who is not a Christian does, kafiri. You feel me? Through this video, enjoy.
My prayer this Sunday ni Mungu aniweke alive to see God dealing with Ringtone perpendicularly. Ringtone, you are a hypocrite and you are a very bad wicked person. You play with the word of God. Unajua wewe uswagana, wewe ukunywa, ufanya tabia zote za kifedule, and you come mbele ya kamera kuchase clout na mambo ya Mungu. Ule msanii Kenya anaweza kaa chini na nisikie ngoma zake ni Guardian Angel peke yake. Hata kama watu wanasema Guardian Angel ako na mama, at least he has one woman. How many women do you have? My problem with you is one thing. You always play with the word of God. Na Biblia inasema, hauwezi kuwa mtu wa vuguvugu. It is either you are hot or you are cold. So kwetu kafiri bro. We are living in the 21st century. Actually, no one cares about your music and what you do. Hata ukisema wewe sasa ni kafiri, no one will care. A hypocrite man. Stop playing with the word of God. Na naomba Mungu adili na wewe vizuri. Sebedum tu bloody fedule wewe.
Here, a video that we saw Ringtone coming through to share, and on the caption he said this, and I quote, Ringtone ni mwenye dhambi, very true, but dhambi zangu sio hizo watakatifu. Please comment fupi hapo chini. And today in the morning he came through and responded to Sabato and Cassypool, and well, this is the video that he posted through his social media handles. Enjoy.
Cassypool, niko busy. Sijui Sabato, niko busy. Angalia kazi ndio hiyo. Kazi ya wanaume, kazi ya wazee. Mambo tu ya hivi mambo madogo. Kijana ukiwa kwa bedsitter, unapiga mdomo ukiwa kwa bedsitter. Calligraph. Hii ukuta na nyumba yako ni gani expensive? Calligraph. Hii ukuta inatoshana bei ya nyumba yako. Sitaki kushauri.
Now, first of all, I don't know, what do you guys think about this guy Sabato? Okay, what do you guys think about what he came to and say? Do you believe him at Ringtone anakula today, anakunywa pombe, and all manner of nasty things? Well, go ahead and drop them thoughts down the comment section. Make sure you subscribe even if you follow me on Instagram, bliska.ke, and I'll see you guys in the next one.